Hey guys, Jared the therapist here, and I got this product to review for this video from the company. And if you're looking for a cane that you can use both on the grass, on the concrete, going up hills, this is a great adjustable cane that you can use. It's a foldable cane and is good for individuals for 5 feet up to about 6'5". To adjust the height of the cane, all you have to do is pop these buttons here, and to lock it in place, you're just going to use this little ring here to lock it so that way it can't move. You'll just pop these buttons. You'll just adjust it to whatever height that you want, move the ring so that it's in place, and then just lock it by turning this mechanism right here. Once it's locked, this will stay in that position. This is a collapsible cane that you can just kind of fold in half on itself. And once you have that locking mechanism there, it's not going to loosen up. So once you have it to where you want it, you'll keep it at that height. But this weighs only about a pound and it's really lightweight. The base on here is adjustable, so this is able to move around in 360 degrees, and you have that non-slip tip right here on the bottom, and that allows you to put the cane down on the ground and be able to pivot right over the base in 360 degrees. It gives good stability, it's solid. I like the handle on it. It fits right into my hand and just kind of fits naturally. It's soft, it's not too hard, and it even has a little raised edge here too, so that way it gives you a little bit more cushion. It does have this hook here, so that way you can hang it up wherever you'd like. And when you do go to fold this cane, you can use this hook here to wrap it upon itself to keep everything nice and secure with the button that's on here. And then just hang it up like so. But I like this a lot. It's a stylish looking cane. You can definitely take this with you and once again, use it on solid surfaces. You could use it on the grass. You could use it while going up hills. You can use it while hiking. It's something that you can easily pack with you and put it in a suitcase. I use these a lot in practice, and I would say definitely take a look at this.